In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly bulk edit properties in HubSpot. This is an essential skill for those looking to efficiently manage their contacts and streamline their workflow within the HubSpot CRM. Whether you're managing a small business or a large organization, being able to make bulk changes can save you a significant amount of time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, locate the login button, conveniently positioned at the top right corner of the page. A quick click on this button will prompt you to either input your credentials or, for a more streamlined approach, select the option to sign in with Google. If you choose Google, simply pick the account you'd like to use and you'll be logged in effortlessly. With access to your dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the CRM section of HubSpot. This can usually be found within the main navigation bar. Clicking on CRM will take you to a space where all your customer relationship tools are housed. Now, once you're inside this section, look for the Contacts option. This is where all your contacts reside, and it's where you'll be able to make the bulk edits. Now that you're inside the Contacts section, you need to pinpoint the specific contacts that require updating. To do this, highlight the multiple contacts you wish to edit. Highlighting can usually be done by using the checkboxes next to each contact's name. Take a moment to ensure you've selected all the right contacts. This will save you from making unnecessary changes later. Once your selection is set, look around for the Edit button. Clicking this will usher in a range of possibilities for modifying your contacts. You'll see a list of properties that you can update. Choose the one that you need to modify. It could be anything from location data, industry type, or even a new field you've recently added to your database. A detailed understanding of what you want to achieve will guide your choice here, making the process even smoother. Finally, after you've selected the property you want to update, click on the Update button. This crucial action will apply your changes across all the selected contacts, making the editing process as comprehensive as it is efficient. And there you have it, a streamlined process for bulk editing in HubSpot that can be accomplished in just a matter of minutes. This method not only boosts your productivity, but also ensures your contact database remains accurate and up to date. We hope this guide helps you manage your CRM needs with greater ease and effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.